Modern forms of water transport. Ships are still used every day. The ships of today are very big and transport a lot of cargo at the same time. There are also some ships that are built for a specific purpose, such as tankers. Some countries, such as the United States of America, have ships in their navy that is big enough for an aeroplane to land on its deck. Balloons and airships. The first flight was in a hot air balloon. A fire was lit under the balloon, and a hot air was blown into a large silk bag. The silk bag was attached to the basket. The hot air rose up, taking the balloon into the air. The first passengers in a hot air balloon were a sheep, rooster, and a duck. This was over 200 years ago. Wright brothers and the invention of the first aeroplane. Two American brothers, Wilbur and Orville Wright, built the first aeroplane in 1903. It flew for 12 seconds before crashing. The Wright brothers spent a lot of time watching the way birds use to wind in flight. They saw that the birds changed the shape of their wings to turn when they fly. They realized that their flying machine must do the same. To be able to fly, they knew they had to be in a place that had a lot of wind. They found out that the place with the most wind was Kitty Hawk, South Carolina. They built and tested their first gliders there. Next, they built Flyer 1, an aircraft with propellers and a motor. Their second flight in 1904 lasted more than 5 minutes. This was the start of modern-day air travel. In 1905, the Wright brothers built an airplane that could fly more than over half an hour at a time. In 1908, Orville made the world's first flight of over an hour at Virginia. Wizards, do you know what a propeller is? A propeller is a mechanical device for propelling a boat or an aircraft consisting of a revolving shaft with 2 or more broad-angled blades attached to it.